Okay, today I'm taking a look at the multifunction power socket. This is an interesting design. We actually got kind of a hidden holder right here. So what that's going to allow us to do is if we want to, we can pull that thing out and we can drive some screws in, we can hold it just like that. Alternatively, if you use flathead screws, you can just throw those in, and then if you were to attach it to the wall, something like this, you'd be able to just take the whole socket and move it over and you would hold it like that and everything would be kind of hidden. That's actually kind of cool. So it says it's good for 100 to 220 volts. It's good for 15 amps or 1,875 watts. And the USB output is 5 volts, 3.4 amps, and 17 watts max. Also has surge protection of 600 joules. So that's nice. It also tells you the power on the front. So it says 3.4 amps max. We got 2 USB-A ports and 1 USB-C port. We got 3 standard outlets. They do have grounding pins. And we got our switch here on the side. Now this is probably the coolest part about this. It actually has this super flat plug on it. So you can see that's actually thinner than my finger. So you can take this thing, you can plug that into a wall, and then if you got a bookcase or something you want to put in front of it, you don't have to worry about that blocking it. More importantly, you don't have to worry about damaging your outlet. So that's cool. And a good strain relief to make sure that nothing is going to get damaged. So you can see that it does light up blue whenever it's on, so we know that it is actually on. And if I plug in my charger, that does light up, so we know that those USB ports are working. And if I plug in my phone, we can see that we are charging. So yeah, overall, that is a very nice adapter.